dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of the vehicle body engineering subject for fifth semester automobile engineering. So then you have to today the topic for vehicle body, sorry, uh, car body construction. Car body construction. There, the steel body can be divided into two main parts. One is the chassis, another the frame. The chassis as well as constructed in the steel body can be divided into two main parts. One is the chassis, another the frame. The frame as well as to construct in the aluminum, alloy, fiber, wood, as well as so many different type of material can utilize that in the frame. Then chassis only meant for that heavy, stronger material to construct it on the steel body. Those which are mounted on the separate chassis and frames are constructed in the vehicle body construction. Those which in which the under frame are flow from that in the integral parts of the way of the body. So mainly there are two parts are integral as well as semi-integral parts are constructed in the vehicle body construction. The construction of the of today mass production motor car has changed almost completely from that composite that is an conventional separate chassis and frame nothing but body to the integral or mono unit. So mono unit is nothing but a single constructed on the chassis as well as bodies. This change that this change is the result of the need to reduce body weight and cost per unit of that in the vehicle total vehicle body construction. Then car bodies. Mainly there are two type of body construction: body over frame construction, unibody construction, or integral body construction. So what is the meaning of body over frame construction? In body over frame construction, so composite construction or conventional separate chassis of that in the system. The frame is the vehicle foundation. The body and all major parts are of the vehicles are attached to the frame. The frame must be a strong material as well as very keep in the together parts of alignment should be collision occurs. The frame is an independent separate component that is not welded to the major part of the body. You must coincide that in the bolt and nuts and rivets as well as some visor type of compounds are used in the vehicle body construction. Then body over frame construction. The body is a general bolted to the frame as in the figure above. The last specially designed rubber mounts are placed between the frame as well as body or chassis structure to the what is the structure? The chassis is a skeleton type of structure to construct on the vehicle body. To reduce the noise and vibration frame enter the passenger components. The body over frame construction quite often two layer of rubbers are used in the mountings pad to provide a smoother ride. Body over the frame design are still used on many today pickup trucks, fully sized vans, and few full size of passenger cars, and so many different type of few vehicles are constructed in the this type of construct body over frame construction. The frame rails are made that stamped steel or welded together. Some frames are made by the hydroforming process, which use high pressure water the shape of the steel into the desired shape of that in the construct of the vehicle bodies. Then unibody construction or integral construction that in the figure shows that the unibodies have not have the separate frames. It is a stressed full structure in which of the body parts supplies structural support and strength to the entire vehicles of the vehicle body construction. The major advantage of unibody vehicle is that they tends to be more tightly constructed because of major parts are welded to the chassis. they nothing but to connect the bodies. The design characteristics help protect the occupant during the collisions. However, it causes damage pattern to different from those of body to enter the frame vehicle bodies. The unique bodies rather than local damage. So local damage that outer of touch of that any nails or wood or stone or any other childhood person can contact that in the stone. That time up can use that in the any body to easy to repair of that in the construct of the body. The stiff scissors sections used for that unique body design tends the transmit and distribute the impact energy through the moreover of the vehicle bodies. So, can according to capacity of the vehicle body constructed in the Winnie type of body must be constructed in the cars. Nearly all Winnie bodies are constructed in the from steel. Not only steel, some of that in the stainless steel or cast steel can utilize for that in the vehicle body constructed. A few cars are used aluminum instead of SU and nowadays can almost of that in that light weight in vehicles light in weight of that in the construction of the components are used in the companies. Say for example Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Tesla and then one more Toyota and one more Ford. So these are utilized in the different type of materials used to construct in the vehicle bodies. And aluminum car body and frames are weight of that 40% less than that identical body made of the steel. The integral bodies, unibodies of the floor fan are is generally called that under bodies. The underbody is made up of form rails and numerous reinforcements. In most integral under the bodies of suspension member is incorrupted in bolt in front of the front as well as rear of the body must be construction. So these are to explain that in the construction of the body vehicle. So to ask the questions for the students, so few multi choice questions are we have to explain that these which of the attached statement given to the not correct in which of vehicle body analyze engineering distract the noise from vehicle body which the vehicle is in operation can be ignored. It should be remained free from body noise and switch over the period of life. Third one is it gives a good appearance with lightweight in occurs to reduce the inertia force and make possible rapid effective braking and acceleration. Fourth one is it should be aerodynamically designed with good fuel economies. So these type of question to ask the students. So can one of the students can ask that in the very accurate answer for one. The vehicle body consists a number of components are joined together which may be create noise and vibration as per the necessary concerned as well as designed vehicle body will be free from distinct noises. Second question, purpose of body engineering. So mainly four options are given in the questions. One the aesthetic and structural foundation, and third one is safety. Fourth is the all of the above. So one of the student accurate answer you have to answer well. So fourth is the right. Well designed vehicle body should satisfy minimum criteria such as aesthetic, structure function, safety, and visibility, etc. So all the purpose should be satisfied by the vehicle bodies. So now one more question for that in the multi-choice questions. In which type construction for power train and suspension system consultation to the body can be either rigid or through the electric bushes. So first one is visualize car body and or any body construction body on frame, body with ancillary subframe, dual frame body. Concern that answer is that right third one. So they have to student ask that in the third question exactly. The chassis components such as power trains and suspension system mounted to the subframes, then attached to the vehicle body. This will make the joint enter the right or elastic in body with the ancillary subframe type of the vehicle body construction. What is the meaning ancillary? So ancillary sub parts of constructed in the vehicle body constructed. This is known as ancillary. So consider that in the answers. Okay. Thank you one and all.